This is our new upgraded smart Wi-Fi wall socket. Works with Tuya Smart app for smart controls. We have 3 versions as UK, EU, and FR to meet different countries, as well as customized color. Now, we will take the UK version as an example to finish its setup. This is a socket with neutral wire required. Wire the live wire and neutral wire for normal wiring demand, and the ground is optional. We have upgraded the socket with extremely simple wiring, and you can finish it within minutes. Confirm you have enabled your 2.4G Wi-Fi for Smart Life app configuration. There is the main power button for you to manually ON or OFF the connected devices, working without interference to the app control. The new updated feature as Power Monitor in app ensures its real-time electric usage status and provides us lower power consumption in a real sense. Timer your schedule to ON or OFF your electric appliances at a preset time for intelligence. Someone will like this new feature named as Astronomical, explained as you can set the timer around the sunset and sunrise for more convenient and flexible timer control.
Alexa, turn off plug in the bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on plug in the bedroom.
Okay.
The new smart socket is functional well with relay status and light mode setting to meet your own demand, together with overcharge switch to protect your electric appliances, and even you can enable the child lock in app to avoid misoperations by others.